What if a car was shaped by questions, not assumptions?
Can a car be made from more sustainable materials?
Could the lighting follow my day's rhythm?
What was that charming place we just passed?
Could someone else do the meeting minutes for once?
Can a car say hi like it means it?
Can simplicity be the most advanced thing of all?
Can I relax even in the middle of a hectic city? What if we just kept driving? Škoda Vision O, human at heart.
Skoda.